Winning is our OT business model. I would like to share with you about our business model. Choose a startup package. Just now we have mentioned, the free package just now. But if the customer want to buy from us, so we can do the business. This is so-called startup package. So apply to become an agent. First, we become VIP agent. Buy up 5 T boxes, give free of boxes. OT only 500 ringgit. Apply to become an instant consultant or instant advisor. Buy 1 carton. 1 carton it consists of 30 boxes, give free 1 voucher. We're entitled for 1 free voucher for 3 days, 2 nights. Put aromatherapy treatment worth 2,500 ringgit. Agarwood is the most expensive Chinese herb medicine in the world. It can currently be priced with gold. It is already more expensive than gold. And it is also many times more expensive than other wood. Our plantation, we're going to grind it, become powder, and become a oat tea. Okay, from this picture, we can see that for every Argyraria tree, when it's a core part, this is a core part of the stem, begin to produce agarwood resin naturally without using any chemical inoculations. We are not using any inoculation method. Okay, it's an inducement process. This is where the real value begins. This is the real value. It is useless if the tree is not produce agarwood resin offering. And the core that we can harvest agarwood block can reach 10 kilo. This is the part that can be produced, can harvest 10 kilo from 1 tree, which means that a tree can make 668 boxes of agarwood oat tea. 1 tree can produce 10 kilos of blocks agarwood resin and can produce 668 boxes of agarwood oat tea, and the market price of each box is 150 ringgit, which means that agarwood tree, 1 tree is worth 100,000 ringgit per tree. This tree value worth 100,000 per tree. Our group own more than 100,000 Argyraria trees. If all these 100,000 trees are used as a agarwood oat tea, if they will be all sold out, do you know what is the output value is? The answer is 10 million in the output value. Did we just talk about our 10 million business opportunity? This is our agarwood oat tea. How we're going to open up our world market? According to our survey, because drinking tea is not just only Malaysia, not just Chinese drinking tea, it turned out that Malay or Indian or Western and Middle East love to drink tea also. So the tea market is very large and huge potential. We mentioned that Asian countries have great potential business opportunity. How big is the potential? Let's see how the market is there to create this 10 of millions of business opportunity. There are 10 countries in Asia, Asian, and 11 countries including plus China. There are 650 million people in the 10 Asian countries alone. Well, China has a population of 1.4 billion, which is the most populous place in the world. Now let's talk about how to earn our wealth in this 10 billion agarwood market. Our company has also designed an e-commerce system for everyone. It is a very simple market system that allows people who have lost their job in this epidemic to provide business opportunity to start small business. Our system has 3 benefits. First, very simple operation. Second, it is also very easy to make money. Third, has no pressure. Okay, how do you start? Here, we have a suggestion. We will start with this VIP agent. Only need to buy 5 boxes OT to become an agent. So very simple. First, invite friends to join our live broadcast. Second, follow up, and they are also become VIP agents. So one-time investment of 500 for 5 boxes. So we say that it's a low investment and with the high return because zero risk and zero inventory. This 150 ringgit is a unified price across country. Who you sell which, it is 150 ringgit. 2 boxes, 1 box is 140. For your own use, you buy for your own use and you want to buy it for your family. So you buy 2 boxes. 1 box is 140. However, I will not sell 1 or 2 boxes because there are people who have bought a Agawut OT with us. 1 box or 2 boxes are definitely not enough. Including your family, we will recommend you to buy 5 boxes, and 5 boxes is more cost effective. If you take these 5 boxes today, if you want to sell it to your friend, it is the same. That it is selling a box is 150 ringgit, from which you can earn 50 ringgit. If you sell 2 boxes and the 2 boxes, 1 box is 140, you can earn 80 ringgit. Those 5 boxes have also become our VIP. Or the above is our consumer.